bit about this hair before I install. So this is a black owned company. Look them up. This hair is called Phylicia.
Bye, Phylicia. Bye, Phylicia.
The curl pattern contains 2 different textures. Install the long waves first, the shorter ones on top, and the spiral ones to frame your face. So instead of cutting this hair yourself, they've already done it for you. Now y'all know I love mixing colors. I love mixing textures. This looks like an ocean wave pattern. This looks like some type of ripple deep, a larger ripple deep spiral curl, right? So to have 2 textures, I'm in heaven. I love this. I absolutely love this idea. In the package also came this gift. It says Crochet Snapback Spray. Here's the curl pattern, type of ocean wave curl pattern. And this is the short one, the spiral. I'll pull one. And here's the spiral curl pattern. So compare the spiral curl pattern to ocean wave pattern. Okay, they're not calling it ocean wave. They have created this and calling it Phylicia. Let's start installation.
Let's do this!
Supposed to frame your face, right? I'm going to pull it out a little bit more, but y'all see this place part where it was holding the twisty was. That's it right there. I don't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna have to pull that in. Okay, Mike, love you. Take care. This hair is by a black-owned company called, let me not butcher it, Be Famous Beauty. Probably can tell. Ah. Okay. All right, y'all. Here we are. Here's the final deal. This is the deal, y'all. A lot of hair. One pack. Can you believe it? One pack. Let me get up so y'all can see. This is the length. Wow. That's a lot of hair. Styling and profiling. Oh, hi, Claudia. Don't cut too much. Okay, you know I'm scissor happy. Oh, correct. This is a lot of hair. Ooh, I don't know if I can handle all that hair. Stinging it out a little bit. And it'll make the hair a little bit more smaller too. When the hair is so big, it brings it down a little bit, tones it down too. So that should help. Oh, got it going everywhere. This is my edges. This is crochet, but you don't have to show the whole world that you're wearing crochet. You know what I'm saying? But as soon as I'm done on this live, I am going to jump online because I know y'all gonna buy this hair. It'll be finished. This is one pack of hair, y'all. One pack of hair. Be Famous Beauty. This hair is called Phylicia. Bye, Phylicia. This hair is called Phylicia. Go check them out. All right, this is the end of it. Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate y'all joining me. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So this is the end of the hair. Y'all, I'm sorry, you guys. I was on Facebook Live and basically showing the hair. So, can you guys see? Yep, here it is. Here's the hair. I love it. Love it. So if you enjoyed this video and you like this hair, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Do it if you want. Don't do it if you want. Either way, I still love you. It don't matter. But yeah, this is the hair. All right. So see you in the next video.